Hi everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this Ice Queen makeup look, and I partnered with L'Oreal Paris and Influencer to bring you this easy makeup tutorial, and you can find all these products at your local Walmart. Super easy to do, just a few steps, and it looks way harder than it actually was. So I hope you guys all enjoy this tutorial. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. So to prep the skin, I'm going to go ahead and take the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer. You do want a primer when you go in with any sort of makeup that's going to be long wearing, especially this, which we're going to need for all Halloween night long. So go ahead and work that in with your fingertips, and I'm just using a little bit of a white base to put all over my face and down my neck. Now taking the Infallible Galaxy stick, and this is a multi-use illuminating stick you can use on your cheekbones. I'm going to prep my eyelids with this before we go in with eyeshadow to give a really nice extra dimension and make the eyeshadow stick. Now go ahead and grab the Infallible 24-hour eyeshadow in Silver Sky. Now these are super pigmented. Just simply by patting it onto the lids, it's going to give a really nice iridescence, which is what I'm going for, this really nice icy looking lid. Pressing that on the lids in the inner corners and then running that underneath the lash line as well. Taking another 24-hour Infallible eyeshadow in Infinite Sky, and this is a really nice icy blue shade that's going to go great next to that silver tone we just used. I'm picking this up on a really nice fluffy brush and going to smoke out the crease with this, and it's just going to build up nicely. I took just a tiny bit and it is so pigmented, and I'm just focusing it mainly in the crease area above that silver color, and I'm also going to bring it down on the lower lash line and smoke that out as well, so you almost have this halo of blue around the eye. The part I'm so excited about is this Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil, and it is in Cobalt Blue, and it is exactly as the pencil looks on the packaging. It's true to color, it's so intense. I'm just running that inside my waterline to really tie together this whole eye look and to make these like frozen looking eyes come to life. This is a very long wearing eye pencil as well and comes in different colors. To really top off the eyes, I'm going to take this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Mascara in Cobalt Blue, and it is such a game changer doing this step. Running a couple coats through, you instantly get such blue looking lashes. It is such a fun trick to do for this look, and I like to go on top so that every lash is nice and coated. Then taking that same wand and going through the brows with this color, just to give that really nice frozen icicle effect through the brows. A really great way to get this Ice Queen look going. I'm loving the way this is turning out so far. This is so fun. So yeah, just take your time here and build it up to the intensity that you like. Now going back into that Infinite Sky 24-hour Infallible eyeshadow, I'm going to use this as a contour shade. Since we have a white base right now, I feel like using just a really nice subtle blue shade, which is this one, and it's just so easy to blend out, and it's going to tie in that eye makeup well. Just put where you would normally contour, and it's going to give a really cool effect. One of my favorite products to play with in this look is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Angora. Now these are so hydrating when you apply them on, but then it dries down to a really nice, long-wearing, comfortable matte. Not a lot of liquid lipsticks are as comfortable as this one. The doublet applicator makes it super easy to apply, and I just love the finish of it and that it is super long-wearing. And to finish off this look, I went ahead and added a ton of glitter to my neck and also added some on my cheekbone area, on my forehead. Really just kind of felt like wherever I wanted to put it, I just went for it. And also on my lips a little bit, just right in the center. Then I just went ahead and added a bathrobe, and I made this little crown out of hot glue gun and added a wig to my look, and of course the contacts, and your Ice Queen look is complete. I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial. It was something definitely different for me, but I enjoyed it so much, and I want to thank L'Oreal Paris and Influencer for sponsoring this video and partnering with me. I really appreciate that, and for giving me the opportunity. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Please let me know what you plan on being at this Halloween in the comment section below. I'd love to hear, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. As always, take care. Bye guys.